Happy Friday, everyone. This is Nisi from Gifted Glory, and I have some pictures that I have done, some artwork that I've done that I do need to go ahead and put the coat of resin on. And so I have very limited time, very limited space, so I need to get these coated and get them out to the buyers. Okay, some of them are sold and some of them are not. This is what I am using, the amazing two-part clear coating and cast in resin. It is awesome. It is easy. Okay, it's two parts. I purchased this always from Hobby Lobby, and I've already went ahead and mixed it so that I don't take up very much of your time. So you put equal amounts. This is cup A, cup B, equal amounts. I do use the art flow calculator on the web to calculate how much I need for each canvas. I'm going to do the pinks with the pinks. Okay. I'm going to do the pinks together. We're going to do all of the blues together. And I'm just certain that these are going to be absolutely gorgeous with resin. Okay. Alright, and this one. Okay. So they've already been cleaned. I cleaned the canvas to prevent any debris from showing up in the resin. You definitely want to make certain. This was a canvas that I thought was ugly. However, someone wanted to buy it. So never say never. For this canvas, I have mixed together with a resin 5 ounces. And I am ready to pour, guys. Here we go. To get all of the resin. I'd rather have some that's going to run off versus not enough. With this resin, you have about 45 minutes work time after you've mixed it together. Okay. I'm hoping that calculator for this side was just right. And as you can see, it just makes the colors pop. Now what I have gathered from my previous resins is that I really don't care about the sides. And I probably should have taped up the sides, guys, but I didn't. I also like this resin because it's self-leveling. And I've got to work pretty fast because I feel I may have let it sit too long, answering the phone today. I feel warmth, guys. I feel the warmth. Okay? That warmth says it's setting up. You know what I mean? Hey, guys. I like doing it better with my hands because you can kind of feel where there is not enough. My table is not level, by the way. So no matter how I fix it, it's not level. I do have this on pins, push pins on the bottom. And of course my famous reusable K-cups. So what I'm doing to the sides now is that I pretty much have gotten the canvas covered. And I'm going to check that. Guys, I have some exciting new things coming up. A few months ago, one of the ladies at Hobby Lobby, because I do classes at Hobby Lobby as well, she'd asked me, was I doing cups? And I'm like, cups? I had no idea what she was talking about. But I do see here lately, I see tons of people doing cups. And what's interesting about it is that the art on the cups looks something similar to the pours. And it's done with resin. I think they are simply beautiful. Beautiful. When you first look at it, you go like, ah, no, that's not gonna look good. But it actually ends up being beautiful. So I'm gonna try that. See how that works. So as I run my finger, I can actually feel where there is resin and where there is not. Okay. So looking from the sides to ensure that I have covered everything. There's not much runoff, guys. I'm telling you, that 5 ounces was just enough. Okay? Just enough. Okay. My trusty heat gun. And I'm going in on low. First any bubbles. This is absolutely beautiful. I don't know why I didn't like it. Now I am able to see the areas. What that does also, that when you heat it up with this heat gun, it thins out. Sort of thins out. Then you can sort of work with that. Work with it. Let's go ahead and smooth it out. You should really see the gold is glistening here. Glistening, glistening, glistening. So with that said, guys, we have done complete resin. And what you need to know is once you've done this, you're not done yet, because for the next hour, 45 minutes to an hour, you need to check meticulously for air bubbles that may come up, okay? And you'll simply just take your heat gun and go through to pop them. But as I'm standing here, I see beauty that I didn't even see when I cleaned the canvas. Let me tell you something, as I move, you know, my shadow, I see sparkles from the gold. I cannot even tell you, because this canvas was one of my first ones where I first began to get sales. So I cannot even tell you what paints that were in here, except for I thought it was ugly because it was so dark. But as you can see, the blues and the oranges and the golds and the mauves, it looks like mauve here, actually came through. The blue, I do know that's deep navy. I do know that that's that 24 karat gold by Folk Art. Then there's some white in here. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So again, I will be putting resin on. I have about 20 canvases to do. I will bring you on live with me to go ahead and just see how easy it's done and how beautiful the resin does make the colors come through. Thank you for joining me. This is Nisi. It is Friday evening. They told me it was snowing in Atlanta, and all I can say is thank goodness we didn't get any here where I live at. You guys do have a great weekend. Be safe. And if you don't have anything else to do, go grab you a couple of canvases and some paint and do some work. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.